Good morning, all of you. Today, our topic is compound angles and subtopic is trigonometric functions. Compound angles. Objectives. After the completion of this presentation, you would able to solve the problems in compound angles using the formula that you have learnt in the previous classes. Now we go to the problem number 1. Prove that cos 48 degrees into sin 18 degrees minus sin 48 degrees into cos 18 equal minus 1 by 2. We go to the solution in the LHS part. Cos 48 into sin 18 minus sin 48 into cos 18. We have to write equal minus sin of 48 cos 18 minus cos 48 sin 18. We know that in the application of 48 we consider A, 18 we consider B. We write sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. What is the formula this one? Sin of A minus B. So that we write minus sin of 48 minus 18 degrees. We get minus sin 30 degrees. We know that what is the sin 30 value? 1 by 2. So that minus 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay. Next, problem number 2. Prove that cos 7a by secant a minus sin 7a divided by cosecant a equal to cos 8a. Here we write LHS part cos 7a by secant a minus sin 7a by cosecant a. Here in the place of cos 7a we write in the place of secant a we write 1 by cosecant 1 by sin a and cosecant 1 by you take once again, you listen carefully here. 1 by secant a equal cos a. We know that secant a is the opposite function of cos a, and write 1 by cosecant a equals sin a. The cosecant a is the opposite function of sin a. So that in the place of secant a we write 1 by cos a, and also the same in the place of cosecant a we write 1 by sin a. We get cos 7a minus cos 7a into cos a minus sin 7a into sin a. Okay, then write cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b formula we get. So that we write cos 7a plus a equal cos 8a. Now we go to the problem number 3. Prove that cos a plus cos of 120 plus a plus cos of 120 minus a equal to 0. Here we write LHS equal cos a plus cos 120 plus a cos 120 minus a. Now we apply cos of 120 plus a. We write cos a plus b formula and cos of 120 minus a cos a minus b formula. Then write cos a plus cos 120 degrees into cos a minus sin 120 degrees into sin a plus cos 120 degrees into cos a plus sin 120 degrees into sin a. That is equal cos a plus 2 cos 120 plus cos a. You observe here one positive, one negative value will be cancelled. That is minus sin 120 degrees into sin a plus sin 120 degrees into sin a will be cancelled. Now we write cos a equal in the place of cos 120 degrees. We write here what is the cos 120 values? Minus 1 by 2. So that we have to take in the place of cos 120 degrees minus 1 by 2 into cos a. The next step we write 2 cancel. Then write minus cos a. We get here cos a minus cos a. That is also equal to 0. In otherwise, here in the place of cos of 120 we write cos of 90 plus 30 also possible. You know that cos of 90 plus 30 sin 30 cos of 90 plus theta in which coordinate? In second coordinate. So 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 that in the cos function is negative, in the sin 30 value is 1 by 2, so that we take minus 1 by 2 also possible. The next problem number 4. Find the value of sin 15 degrees, comma, cos 15 degrees, comma, tan 15 degrees and cot 15 degrees. Now we find sin 15 degrees. How to write the sin 15 degrees? Sin 60 minus 45. We know that sin 60 minus 45, we apply sin A minus B formula. We get sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. That is equal sin 60 degrees into cos 45 minus cos 60 into sin 45. We get sin 60 value is root 3 by 2, cos 45 value 1 by root 2 minus cos 60 value 1 by 2, sin 45 value 1 by root 2. So that here we get the simplification root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So that the value of sin 15 degrees is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, the next one, problem number 4. Cos 15 degrees equal cos 45 minus 30. Here we apply cos A minus B formula. Apply cos 45 into cos 30 degrees plus sin 45 sin 30. That means cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now we write cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2, sin cos 30 root 3 by 2 and sin 45 1 by root 2 and sin 30 is 1 by 2. So that we get the result is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. The value of cos 15 degrees is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Now we go to the tan 15 degrees. How to write the tan 15? This is also same as it is tan 60 minus 45. Then write tan of A minus B formula applicable. So the tan 60 degrees minus tan 45 divided by 1 plus tan 60 into tan 45. So that we know that the tan 60 value is root 3 and tan 45 is 1. Directly we have to substitute here root 3 minus 1 by 1 plus root 3. So the answer is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Now we have to do the rationalization. How to do the rationalization? In the denominator part we have to take the opposite sign, root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. We get root 3 minus 1 whole square by 3 minus 1. That is equal 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 by 2. 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 2 root 3 we take the 2 outside common, we get 2 minus root 3. So the value of tan 15 degrees is 2 minus root 3. Now we go to the same cot 15 degrees. How to write the cot? The opposite function of the cot is tan. So that how to write cot 15 degrees? 1 by tan 15 degrees. That is equal 1 by 2 minus root 3. We can do the rationalization. We get 2 plus root 3 by 4 minus 3. That is also equal to 2 plus root 3. So that the value of cot 15 degrees is 2 plus root 3. Now we go to the problem number 5. Show that tan 70 degrees equal to tan 50 degrees plus tan 20 degrees. Okay, now we go to the solution part. We know that 50 plus 20 equal to 70. Now we write in the place of 70, we write tan 50 plus 20 equal tan 70. Now apply the tan of A plus B formula. In the A place is 50 degrees and the B place is 20 degrees. Now apply the formula tan 50 degrees plus tan 20 degrees divided by 1 minus tan 15 degrees into tan 20 degrees equal tan 70 degrees divided by 1. Tan 50 plus tan 20 is equal, we can do the cross multiplication, we get tan 70 minus tan 70 into tan 50 into tan 20. Now we write tan 50 plus tan 20 is equal tan 70 minus, now in the place of tan 70 we write tan of 90 minus 20 also possible. So that we write here tan 50 into tan 20, same as it is. This implies tan 50 degrees plus tan 20 is equal tan 70 minus, we know the tan of 90 minus 20 we get cot of 20 degrees into tan 50 degrees and tan 20 is same as it is. Now tan 50 degrees plus tan 20 is equal tan 70 minus, what is the value of this one? Tan 90 minus 20. We write here tan 50 degrees take outside and cot 20 into tan 20 degrees is equal to 1. Now write tan 70 degrees is equal, you observe here tan 50 is 2 times. Okay, the minus tan 50 to go to the right side, we get 2 tan 50 degrees and write tan 20 degrees. Okay, now we go to the summary. In this class we have learned applying formula of compound angles in solving problems. Quiz. Tan 75 degrees. Option A 2 plus root 3. Option B 2 minus root 3. Option C 1. Option D minus 1. What is the answer? 2 plus root 3. Second question. Cos 70 degrees into cos 10 plus sin 70 into sin 10 equal. Option A 1. Option B minus 1. Option C 1 by 2. Option D minus 1 by 2. What is the answer? 1 by 2. Questions given in previous examinations. Prove that cos A plus cos of 120 plus A plus cos of 120 minus A equal to 0. Prove that tan 70 degrees equal to 2 tan 50 plus tan 20. Now we go to the assignment. First problem. Prove that cos 35 plus cos 85 plus cos 155 degrees equal to 0. Second question. If tan A plus tan B equal to A, cot A plus cot B equal to B, show that cot of A plus B equal 1 by A minus 1 by B. Third question. Show that tan A plus secant A minus 1 into cos A by sin A plus cos A minus 1 equal 1 plus sin A by cos A. You see here, these three problems depends only on the formula of sin of A plus B formula and cos of A plus B, or sin of A minus B and cos of A minus B, and also tan of A plus B and tan of A minus B. In some conditions we apply cot A plus B and cot of A minus B also apply to solve these problems. Okay, thank you very much.